So today we want to attempt answering the question, why does rolling a ball under your foot help plantar fasciitis? First, let's talk about balls. I mean, there's obviously different balls that you can use. There are lacrosse balls, tennis balls, you can get massage balls that have little knobs on them. Which one of these balls is best to use? It's a great question. It really depends on the level of sensitivity that you have in the arch. You know, sometimes people will start out with a tennis ball because it has a little bit of give to it, so it's not going to be quite as harsh against the foot. It is recommended to use a tennis ball obviously on a more sticky surface, because if you find that the tennis ball is sliding away as you're using it, the surface is probably too smooth, and a lacrosse ball works a little bit better there. But a lacrosse ball is harder, and a lot of these massage balls that have little knobs on them, sometimes they can be quite firm. So that can be pretty uncomfortable when you're using it on the fascia, especially when it's in its most tender stage. So the first reason why rolling a ball on a foot can help improve plantar fasciitis is because it targets trigger points. So you can loosen up the fascia tissue by you rolling that ball under the foot. So it helps to break up any kind of adhesions within the fascia tissue. It also stimulates circulation, so it helps to bring blood flow, increase blood flow to the area, which helps to then regenerate the tissue within your arch, helping to make it more flexible so that you can be more comfortable. Now, there's also a variety of ways of using that ball to improve the function of the foot. So you're really working on, working obviously the arch, but at the same time, depending on how you handle your toes, you can, plantarflex your toes, you can dorsiflex your toes. So you can have your toes come up, you can have them go down, and that allows you to kind of go through different ranges of motion that can help reduce some of the tension in the surrounding muscle tissue, but at the same time improve range of motion within the ankle joint and the lower leg.